Hey everybody, I'm David, one of the exercise specialists. We're going to go over what we call SFMA Rolling. Basically, it's using one limb, 1/4 of the body to help turn you either forwards or backwards. I'll show both with the legs and with the arms and how we want to see it look. Okay, so basically starting in this nice flat position, lifting one leg up and across and reaching and kind of creating a spiral effect with the body, both directions. Okay? Trying to avoid the whole body turning as one like this. Nice solid block. We're trying to avoid that and really create a fluid pattern. With the arms, kind of like so, reaching up and across, rolling over, backwards as well. So, a couple other things we're trying to avoid with the rolling of any limb is use of the other limbs kind of pushing off or lifting from the ground to create better motion. So what that would look like with this leg moving is kind of pushing in with my hands to the ground and kind of elongating my body up with that leg going over. Same thing here, pushing down with the hands especially to try to lift that leg over. With the arms moving, we tend to use the legs a little bit more to assist. So what that would look like is kind of pushing in and digging in with the legs. We really want to stay relaxed as we turn in all these patterns.